Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain you about the National Career Service NCS, which was developed by Labor and Employment by the Indian government. And here this website is meant for searching a job, and these services are offered to citizens of India. Website is provided by the Indian government. It is highly secured and the informations are true enough. So without further delay, I'm going to explain you how to use this website for searching a job. So this is the home page for the NCS. So in that, if you see state-wise how many vacancies are there will be provided in the home page. For example, I'm going to consider the state Tamil Nadu. So you just need to click on the state under which you are going to search for your job. So once you have clicked, you need to provide your keyword. So I am going to give engineering job. So provide your keyword, then the location. Since we have selected Tamil Nadu, it has represented Tamil Nadu, and if you need in specific area also, you can give like Chennai or Kanchipuram. So it's those options are also there. So you can even provide your city. Then what is your expected salary? So whether it is daily or monthly, weekly or yearly. So monthly, and minimum 20,000 I am giving. And the organization type, either you can look for the private jobs or you can look for the government jobs. So I have given all jobs. Now search for your job. So the results are, so you will be receiving what is the result based on your search. So intern energy or design engineer, and what is the company details, where is the location, and what are the skills required, and the job description. Similarly, the list will be provided based on your search. We can also go for advanced search for in specific details also. Then for example, if this job is suitable for you, you can apply for it just by clicking apply. Okay, once you have applied, so you will be having a clear descriptive of your job, and then you can go for apply. Okay, so before applying you should register for it. Once you have registered with your personal data, if you click apply, directly your resume will be submitted to that particular company. So now I am going to tell you how to register in NCS. For that, go to the home page. In the right corner, if you check, you will be having new user or sign up. Then you have to register under job seeker. So provide your personal data, and then you have to enter your unique identification type, that is either your PAN card or the Aadhaar card details you have to provide it. So it is mandatory to provide either PAN card details or Aadhaar card for avoiding unnecessary entries in the websites. Once you have provided your personal data, you can agree the terms and conditions and then submit it. So very easy procedure for registration too, and the website is also worth enough to search for your jobs based on your experience and the qualifications. I hope this video will help you for searching your apt job. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, kindly subscribe. All the best. Thank you.